Aibowan, hello everyone, my name is Veena. I'm the artistic director and the founder of Clown Compass Physical Theatre Company. We have been operating for 2 years so far. We offer physical training, we offer workshops, and our biggest project so far is clown camps, which we travel across the country and teach clowning for younger ones. Last year, we did our very first professional training with 7 local artists. This year, we are expanding our professional training program to be an international one. So one of my dearest friend, Ania Upstill, is coming down from United States to train you all. Not only clowning and physical theatre, we have low country artists who's going to join us to train you all. Mark your calendars, July 6th to July 12th. See you there.